They're wrong. Forget what you heard. Faceless videos are not for hiding. They are your biggest unfair advantage right now. Faceless videos actually get 34% higher engagement than typical talking head videos. The problem, almost nobody's doing it right now. They're using Faceless to hide. It means that you can market, build trust, and get clients without ever pointing the camera towards your face. If that gives you relief, keep watching. As I turn this over to my twin, PY 3.0, she's gonna break down the exact blueprint you need to turn Faceless into an unfair advantage. Let's get started.
Hi, this is PY's twin. What if I told you that everything you've heard about faceless video is 99.9% wrong? Here's the straight up fact. Faceless videos get 34% higher engagement than traditional talking head videos. The problem? Almost nobody's doing it right. This video isn't about teaching you filming. In the next 3 minutes, I'm showing you the 3-part system that works. It's about permitting you to use your creativity. Here's what Faceless actually means for you. You can stop stressing about being on camera. No redos, weird hair, or stumbling over words. Instead, your voiceover tells the story, your product does the talking, your customers' results show the proof. You're still building trust, just without the performance anxiety keeping you stuck. Quick reality check. Business owners who treat video like a system, not a performance, see real results. More calls, more clicks, more credibility. Imagine this. A roofer shows a short clip of a repair process with a voiceover explaining why to call now. A therapist posts a calming animated clip answering a common question with a 3-point takeaway. A coach uses anonymized clients with voiceover to protect privacy and sell programs. Customers. Your customers feel seen because you solved their problem, not because you performed on camera. Stay with me. I'm showing you 3 real examples. Plus, at the end, I'm giving you free templates you can use today. 3 real examples. Number 1, attorney example. Instead of standing inside the courtroom, you can promote a public service announcement. If you're pulled over, here are 3 steps to follow. 1, stay calm. 2, be polite. 3, ask if you're free to leave. 4, don't consent to a search. Number 2, realtor example. Don't let a bright, shiny exterior fool you. Look for hidden damage before you make an offer. They invite viewers to download a free checklist. Helpful, expert, totally reliable, and faceless. Number 3, roofer example. Before you hire any roofer, ask these 3 questions. Most homeowners skip number 2 and regret it. Point. 1 simple call to action, DM for a free checklist, short and practical. See, faceless doesn't mean invisible, it means strategic. Now, I promised you templates. Click the link below to grab my free Faceless Video Starter Kit. It includes all 3 examples plus scripts you can customize. This approach gives you a clear path from idea to published video without the overwhelm of lighting, makeup, or camera anxiety.
Hey, this is PY. Hope you found this video helpful. We wanted to let you know that with AI and simple technology, anyone can increase visibility, engagement, and profit through video. Don't forget to leave the questions in the comments section and watch the next video that talks about the importance of about the first 3 seconds, because nothing happens until you get this right. Click here to watch the next video.